Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Robert Jaslowski and welcome to Social Work 335, Social Welfare Organizations. This course is an introduction to social welfare. It's a subject as vast as the human condition. And we are going to take a look at this whole broad concept of social welfare organizations while also focusing in on delivering to you opportunities to practice real case management skills, because the vast majority of social welfare is going to be case management, and I wanted you to walk away with it feeling like you have some practical skills that you can use in your future social work career. Within that context, this course seeks to identify and utilize this driving forces that present in any society, historically and currently, that threaten basic human needs. And social welfare is about addressing those needs and addressing those issues. We can together create a world that does provide for everyone, and that's sort of what social welfare is all about. So we're going to majorly focus on social welfare here in the United States, but like I said earlier, we're going to also focus on what skills we can give you to do the work that you want to do in your future social work career. Welcome to the class. I hope it engages your mind, your heart, and inspires you to even explore this concept of social welfare organizations further. Thank you.